Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So we should first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications. So just let's change the camera app. You could rename it if you want. Here you'll see the library with different folders with the icons. Also, you could use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from the default icons. So that is the camera one. Let's find the similar icon, click on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should wait a couple of seconds and skip the videos, then just click to add. You could go to desktop now or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check the new camera icon. This is the regular one, the default one, and this is the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.